Alright guys, welcome back. Gonna be changing out the oil pump this evening. I got one of these oil pump slash filters to get a little more filtration on the bug. So what we're gonna be doing is removing this plate here. So we can get some more light on that. Removing that plate at the bottom there, and then we're going to be basically sliding this guy in with the filter coming off to the driver's side. So let's go ahead and get started here. You're going to need a 13mm wrench to get those nuts off. I've already pulled them off for ease of videoing here. And then you're just going to need to pry this off with a screwdriver. Okay. Once you get into the inside, you'll see a couple gears. You literally just pull those out. Okay, one's gonna have a little cam on it, and the other one's just gonna be a straight cut gear with nothing on the other side. Okay. So at this point, you need a special tool to get inside of the pump. You'll see a hole right inside, one right there. And then there's another one right on the other side. Okay, what you're gonna do, you can get these tools for about $8 on Amazon. I think MP sells them. Anyways, so you're gonna just slide it in at an angle on one side. Okay, and then once it's in that other side, oh, I'm having so much trouble here. Slide it in. There we go. Okay. So once it's in like that, then you just slowly just start tightening this down. I recommend moving it to where it's like this, so you get a flat surface on top and a flat surface on bottom you can pry against, rather than just a couple weird angles. So let's go ahead and get this tool in there, and I'll start cranking it down. All right. So once you have that tool in place, and like I said, you want it on the flat part of the case, you're going to start cranking it down with a 3/4 inch wrench. Okay. And I've heard some people say that there's a bolt holding this on. I don't know one that's actually holding it inside. I mean, I see the case bolt here and a case bolt there. I don't really want to touch those because then I'll have to crack the case open and reseal it. So I guess sometimes there might be a screw on the side here, but in my case, this engine does not have one. So that came out a lot easier than I was expecting from all the reviews I've heard. I've heard of this this weld right here breaking. In my case, it wasn't such luck. So in any case, got it pulled, which is great. Now we have this guy to put in. Okay. What we're gonna do is remove these 4 bolts. Okay. Let me see if I can change the angle. Okay, so I'm gonna need to remove these 4 bolts so I can separate this from that piece. This is gonna go in the case. I will not need these nuts anymore. They only put it on just for shipping purposes. And anyways, this keyway, okay, this guy right here, when you slide it in, very important. So I don't know if you can see that in there. See, there's a keyway in there. You want to line it up to that, because as the engine turns, it's going to turn the pump. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and clean this out a little bit and put a new seal in and all that, and we'll get the new one in. Alright guys, so this new pump does not come with seals. I picked up a seal kit on Amazon. Gosh, I think it was like dirt cheap. I think it was like 12 bucks, some ridiculously low price. Anyways, so it's a good idea to get a seal set for your bug. I mean, since you have it torn down this far, like I do, it's good to replace all your seals. But in any case, what I need right now is just the oil seals. Okay, I'm gonna, like I said, clean this off. Okay, and then I am going to remove those studs. Okay. The easiest way to do that, go ahead and get some channel locks. Now, it's a good idea to grab as low as possible. The reason for that is if you do mess it up, you can still re-thread it and use them again. Okay, those aren't gonna bite. So I noticed that this gear is not fully locked in there, and when I took it out and measured against this gear, you can see that there's a clear difference. Okay, what I'm going to do is put it in the hole here. It's almost hooking up, but it's not quite there. Then we'll take a punch and see if we can't get that deeper in to line up with that groove on the inside. Alright guys, so I got the gear adjusted, put back in there, got it all bolted up. Now all that's left is to put the filter on. Now, I believe you could use this hole here for temp gauge if you wanted to, and I think I might do that. It's already tapped and everything ready for that, so I think that's what I'm going to try to use it for. Alright, so there it is with the filter on. It's a Fram filter. pH 8A. I believe you can use a pH 1, and then I also have a K&N filter. After I do the break-in period on this, I'll probably put a K&N on. And I don't have the number on me right now, but I can get that if you guys want to know the K&N number, or you can just cross-reference this number. So anyways, that's what it looks like. Thanks guys for watching.